So currently we have two containers running our React application. But if we go to localhost port 3000, we cannot access this application. Can you explain why? Because as I told you earlier, port 3000 is published on the container, not on the host. So on the same machine, we have multiple containers. Each of these containers is listening on port 3000, but the host itself is not listening on this port. So this port is currently closed. There is no way to send traffic into localhost at this port. This is where we need to publish a port. So first of all, let's look at our running containers. Now here we have a column called ports. Let me resize the window. It's going to look a little bit ugly, but bear with me. So we have wrapping here. Here's the ports column. In this column, you can see the ports and their mapping. As you can see, both these containers are listening to port 3000. Now I'm going to start a new container and publish a port at the same time. So just like before, we run docker run -d for detached. Here we're going to use another option called p, that is for port. We're going to publish a port on the host, let's say port 3000 to port 3000 of the container. And of course, these numbers don't have to be the same. So I can publish port 80 of the host to port 3000 of this container. Now I can give this container a name so we can identify it. I'm going to call this C1. Now, what image? React app. Good. So this is going to take a few seconds until our web server is ready. Now, if we go to localhost port 80, we can see our React application. Beautiful. Now, let's look at the running containers one more time. Now look at the port mapping for our C1 container. You can see port 80 of the host is mapped to port 3000 of the container. We do not have this notation for other containers.